Hi, my name is Rick Suarez. I'm the creator of the Nutty Real Estate Professor. I created a study guide to help agents or students pass the state exam to get their real estate license. This study guide consists of 302 concepts, 17 questions, all of the math concepts that you need. It's very clear, it's very simple to follow, and very easy to understand. Let me give you a little tour. We have a table of contents of where to find everything you need. We also have how to take the test, how to prepare, how to study, how to focus on the math, what to do the day of the test, and so forth. It's very good information. And this is how our study guide looks. It's extremely simple to understand. It's mostly one-liners, concept, answer. Just exactly the meat of what you're going to need. We also have all of the math that you're going to need to be successful with a lot of tips and tricks. I have a section for two types of questions. You have a question with A, B, C, or D. Then you have another section that has the question already with the answer in it. I like this part because you're memorizing question, answer. And that's going to be very helpful for your test. As an added bonus, I included a ebook which is titled "Back to Basics: A Roadmap for Real Estate Agents." I wrote this book. I'm also a broker. Besides being a instructor, I've been in the business 33 years, and I have trained hundreds of agents. And this book is about the very basics of what you need to work, how to work distressed properties, how to work for sale by owners, how to deal with investment properties, what is sphere of influence, how to work spire properties, foreclosures explained, short sales, portability tax. It's a great little book. It's not that many pages. It's just a good guide of what it is you need to be doing every single day in this business. All right, if you're interested in purchasing my study guide with the free ebook, I put a link in the description that'll take you directly to my website. The cost is only $53, and you'll be able to purchase it from there. Best of luck to you, and good luck with your studies.